Yes, dear students, there are some simple questions on pressure of liquid column and pressure of atmosphere. Thinking that these are simple questions, teachers also leave them on the students, they will do try itself. But it is a habit of students, they don't try at all. And nowadays there is a problem of arithmetic. Yesterday I was very much depressed that students of class 11 were unable to divide a small number, to find the square root of numbers. So please attempt yourself, try calculation yourself, and ultimately we have to do hard work and we should not feel any pressure of job. So here is question, what is the pressure? This is so example of NCERT book on page 249, class 11 249, page 249, or example it is 10.2, sole example. What is it saying? What is the pressure on swimmer 10 meter below the surface of lake? 10 meter below the surface of lake, and density water 1000, density G10, and they themselves had not given something other. So person is 10 meter below in a lake, here 10 meter deep, he is a swimmer 10 meter deep. So what is the pressure? Generally when we have first thought in our brain, we think 10 meter water pressure is there, but above water there is atmosphere. Don't forget it. Above sea level there is, above the water level there is atmosphere. So total pressure on swimmer will be PA. PA means atmosphere plus HDG. And I have told you that as well as 1.013 10 to the power 5 plus HDG pressure of water 10 meter deep below. So 10 into 10 to the power 1000, or G be 10, you can take 10. So it is 1.013 10 to the power 5 or plus 10 to the power 5. How to add this? There is problem. So you can write it 10 to the power 5 common, 1.013 plus 1. So it is 2.013 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Pressure on a swimmer which is 10 meter below the surface of water in a lake. Don't forget there is atmosphere also. And 1 atm PA, we take it as 1 atm, remember it forever, is equal to 1.013 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square Pascal. So this is this question. Now there are many questions in NCERT book which we keep on thinking that they are simple, and in exam, especially class 11 students have poor management of calculation, very poor management. Now there is another, density of atmosphere at sea level, density of air, density of air equal to 1.29 kg per meter cube on sea level. Assume that it does not change with altitude. If we go above the sea level in sky, and we suppose that density of air in the atmosphere does not change with distance, then how high, then you are asked, then how high would the atmosphere extend? So pressure density, if we assume atmosphere to be a column of fluid of density to 1.29 kg per meter cube. Then we calculate HdG is equal to P. And P, H we have final density 1.29 into 9.8 is equal to 1 atm, 1.013 10 to the power 5. So from this you will get it as 1.013 10 to the power 5 upon 1.29 into 9.8 meter. So this come out to be how much? It comes out 7989. You multiply this and then divide. Please learn division. This is simple. I am doing for you. 9.8. 8 9 is 72, 7, 8 is 16 or 7, 23 or 10. 8 1 8 or 2 10. 9 9 is 81. 8 9 is 18 or 8. 26 2 11. This is 2 4 6 2 1 decimal after 3 place. So you have to divide. Here is the problem. The students feel very difficult how to solve this. The division, here you get that H is equal to 1.013 10 to the power 5 upon 12.6 ले लीजिए इसको छोड़ दीजिए उसको. अब ये नंबर है 1 पॉइंट में, ये है 12 पॉइंट में, तो you can make it as 101.3. तो 10 to कितने पे 2 to 10 to the power 3 upon 12.6. Now you can divide this easily. Now I am telling because yesterday I was depressed and the students keep on looking here and there but they don't practice themselves. So how to divide? There is one place decimal, one place. So simply it is 1013 upon 126. 12 7 ja 84. 12 9 ja 108. 12 8 ja 96. If I try here 9 8 times, so it is 8 6 ja 48. 4 8 is 16 or 4 20. So it will become slightly more. So it will be 7 times. So you multiply it here direct. 7 6 are 42. बच्चे लिखते हैं यहाँ पर कि 126 into 7 करके भेजा लिखूँगा. 7 6 are 42 लिख दे 4 2. 7 2 are 14 और 4 18 1 और 9. 7 1 are 7 or 8. So how much left? 1 or 11 minus 3 or 9 minus 8 1. 0. तो ज़्यादा हो गया सर, सॉरी. क्या बचा है? 1 11 minus 8 3. तो 8 चल जाएगा इसमें और 7 में 7 निकल हो गए. Take it 8. 8 6 are 48. Carry 4. 8 is 16 or 20 2 10. Yes. Less than it is 5 plus. यहाँ 0.000. So nearly 8. So it is. Actually, they have taken. I think this number as one atmosphere. That is that come out 8 into 10 to the power 3 meter means 8 kilometer. So if we assume that density of air does not change and remain as the density of air at sea level, then height of atmosphere comes nearly 8 kilometer. But this is not the case. Why? You know, because as we move up, density of air decreases by P equal to HdG. P P equal to हमारा HDG. Density decreases or absolute also decreases. Both decreases as we go up in the air. So we consider that thing. Then height of atmosphere is very large. है ना, नियरली 400 किलोमीटर तक हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर है, अप टू 100 किलोमीटर. एक्चुअली 100 किलोमीटर तो डेंसिटी ऑफ एयर कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. Above that density of air also, because it is ionosphere there. Gases are highly compressible. तो जो यहाँ पर एटमॉस्फेयर, यहाँ गैस भरी हुई है, तो बिलो यहाँ पर ज़्यादा होगा कम हो जाएगा. तो atmosphere density keep on decreasing nearly up to 100 kilometer. After that, various in density does not take, but G will keep on decreasing. So actual height of the atmosphere is not 8 kilometer. This is for sake of knowledge. Please study this clearly. Try to understand. So many blind faiths will be overcome. We are trapped in blind faith. We know how the rain takes place, but still we leave it on God. The God is your nature, the air surrounding you, the sunlight coming to you from sun. These are gods actually. We don't know, and we are always, many non-religious are also have many blind faiths. So learn it clearly. Now there is another question here. Again they use different term. This is 10.4 of small example on page 250. Page 250. What is this? Which you must have and have old NCERT book. The new one has been written again, and many things are deleted. Some important things which are very important have been deleted in the name of Corona. At depth of 1000 meters, at depth of 1000 meters in an ocean, what is the absolute pressure? In ocean, if we are 1000 meters below the surface of ocean water level, then what is the absolute pressure? Then what is the force pressure? And find the force acting on a window of area 20 cm by 20 of submarine at this depth. The interior which is maintained at sea level. So under pressure, submarine, you know, they travel in ocean or sea, dipping inside water. So if the submarine is 1000 meters below, so first of all you are asked absolute pressure. What is the meaning of absolute pressure? By here is the ocean and then the atmosphere also. So absolute pressure जो है, absolute pressure is equal to PA plus HGG. Atmosphere pressure, suppose it is 1000 meters below here, the submarine is here. This height is 1000 meters depth. So, and you are given 180 of 1.013 10 to the power 5, you know it, plus 1000 meters 10 to the power 3. Density they have given 1.013. Density water 1.03 10 to the power 3. ये density of sea level. Sea water has higher density because some salts are Mg 9.8. If you solve this 1.013 10 to the power 5 or plus it is 10 to the power 6 1.013 1.013 1.013 1.3 into 9.8 into 10 to the power 6. Again there is problem. Multiply this. Here power is 6, here power is 5. So student also get trapped in this calculation. बताता हूँ मैं अभी. तो if we solve this, you multiply. They have taken g as 10. Okay. Take g as 10. So now it becomes simple. So how much it will be? 1.013 10 to the power 5 or plus 1.03 or 10 to the power 7 हो गया तो 10 to the power 7 ना भाई. तो कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? हाउ विल यू ऐड दिस? अब आप यहाँ इसको कैसे ऐड करेंगे? Here 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 7. Take 10 to the power 5 common. 1.013 plus 1.03 into 10 to the power 2. What is this? It is 103 now. So 10 to the power 5 into 1.013 plus 103. अब फिर समस्या इसमें जोड़ेंगे. तो इट इज 103 और 1.013 310.4 है भाई. तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 104.013 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Actually, 1.013 10 to the power 5 is 1 ATM. They have converted this into ATM. कैसे? 104.013 10 to the power 5 upon 1.013 10 to the power 5 ATM. Now it becomes ATM. The power cancel. So it is nearly 104 ATM. What is this? Absolute pressure at the depth of 1000 meters. Now you are asked what is gauge pressure? Be familiar with these terms. Gauge pressure means this only pressure of the liquid column. So here gauge pressure equal to HDG only, which we have determined here. How much? तो सिंपल था 10 power 3 10 only 1.03 into 10. तो ये होगा आपका 1000 मीटर. Oh, that is 1000 into 10 raised to sea level 1.03. So it is 1.03 into 10 to the power 7. It is gauge pressure. Now you are asked what is the force on window. सबमरीन के यहाँ कोई विंडो है जिसका एरिया 20 सेंटीमीटर और 20 सेंटीमीटर है. तो एरिया ऑफ विंडो 20 into 20 centimeter square 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. यानी कि it is how much? 400 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. या 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. Now we know pressure is equal to force upon area. So force equal to pressure into area. तो हमने निकाला प्रेशर भी 104 था. ये थे 104.013 तो 104 ले लो डेसिमल का सेकंड प्लेस पर इनटू एरिया 10 to power 5 तो है ना 10 to power 5 और इनटू 10 to power 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. 24 4 is 16 4 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. This much will be the force on the window. ठीक है भाई? So that way, please don't let any question, don't assume any question simple. When you attempt to make mistake, you commit mistake, and mistakes are realized only by doing. If once you have realized a mistake, then you will not repeat that again. But mistake will be done only when you attempt the question. So attempt this question, though they are solved in NCERT book, but I showed it to show you how the calculation will be done by us. Thank you.